Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Making Kadai Mushroom, first dry roast the spices. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon pepper, 4 cloves and half inch cinnamon stick, 3 red chilies, 1 green cardamom. Saute well on low flame or till you get fragrant. Once the spices are cooled down, add them to a blender and make a fine powder. Grounded masala is ready, keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add sliced mushrooms and saute well until it turns brown color. Now mushroom turned golden brown, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Heat another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, chop onions and required amount of salt for the curry. Saute well until the onions turn golden brown. Now the onions are turned golden brown. I am going to add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell goes. Then add tomato puree. Saute well until the oil releasing from the sides. Now you can see the oil is coming out. At this stage I am going to add 1 capsicum, chopped one, mix color and saute for few more minutes. After few minutes the capsicum sauteed well. At this stage I am going to add grounded masala. Mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix all together. Then add half cup water. Bring as a gravy consistency. Followed by add fried mushrooms. Mix well and cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes you can see mushrooms coated well with masala. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. Kadai mushroom is ready. You can enjoy with your favorite roti or with rice. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.